I just another update about the Cavalier front end. So I've taken this off, which was quite a job. It's just to show you how the new bit will go in. Obviously, up there, that corner edge fits under here, that way. Same on the other side. But I need to get this off first. So this is the last bit to come out. So it's, you can see it's kind of rusting away there anyway, and there's a wee bit of rust in the leg here, chassis leg. So get this off. Same with this side. This is off here. And that will fit in there. See that. And obviously this panel needs to come off as well. So these were a nightmare to come off, really were. I had to drill through it. As you can see, there. Spot welds right up here, there. It was stuck, and the same with the other side as well, so that's taken me all morning just to move them. And to get this panel off, there's a couple in round here, and I think this one goes right through. So to take that other side off, there's a couple in here, down there, here, and then this whole bit right down here and up will come out, and I think there's a couple at the front here and there on this, but this will be coming off as well. So right, I think I need a break. See you in the next video.